Hey everyone, this is Damon Evans. I play Cosmo Brown in MoezArt Productions' upcoming presentation of Singin' in the Rain. And I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek.
This show is spectacular. If you want to see a show where they're singing and dancing and you just want to walk out of the theater humming a tune, I mean, this is the show for that.
People can expect great tap dancing, a little bit of ballet, a lot of action and adventure, tons of characters that'll just keep you laughing from the beginning to the end.
So that's Singin' in the Rain, brought to you by MoezArt Productions. We'll be at Apollo High School July 21st through 30th. Get all the information at MoezArtProductions.com.
Mommy made me much higher than this. Nice.